Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you
Sensei J here, breaking into this Vidyuu tutorial. Don't tell Lakes that I'm actually a marauding pirate. Did you guys see the last video Lakes made about using the Look-To code block? What the heck is up with the Z-ripping style flickering on his controllers? Man, you'd think a guy as smart as him would know how to make sure that doesn't happen. What can I say? Some people's children. Anyway, that's why this pirate is on the case. The issue has to do with how far away from center you wander. You can see right now I'm at 000, and my controllers look just fine, even if I make myself really small. But what if I come out to somewhere, say, 1000, 1000, 1000? Then if I make myself really small, check out what happens. Why is that? There's actually a really good reason. It has to do with how many decimal places are built into the 3D space in Horizon Worlds. But the reality is, who cares why it happens? All you need to know is that it does. So just make sure that you build your world around and near the center coordinates, 000. If you do, then you won't have any issues. This is your resident pirate, Sensei J, returning you now to your regularly scheduled video.